Wait one moment, I will show you a dropshipper's failing and he was frustrated. Let's see. Supplier, I was really gonna use AliExpress dropshipping before watching this and would have caused delivery issues. Thanks man. So it means that he has delivery problem with AliExpress. Now I will tell you that when people go to the AliExpress, I mean you are a beginner dropshipper, I think, and you what you will do. First of all, you will find a product and you will go for the AliExpress supplier or like on Facebook or CJ or DSers. Lot of suppliers you will go. Okay, but you don't know what you need to do exactly, which supplier is perfect for you. Okay, but in this video I will tell you exactly in which steps if you follow, then you can also make a good business and you will never be scammed. Okay, so I will tell you only in 3 steps. If you follow, then I hope your business will be more profitable and more smooth. Your first work will be, you will be number one, ask proof. Okay, from the supplier. So you will ask proof. Okay, so what type of proof? It can be like, number two is, it can be like shipping tracking number information, how many clients he has, what is the client's review he is getting. Okay, and what is the feedback from the clients. Okay, let all of types of questions in your mind. You can ask the supplier. You can work with a lot of supplier, no problem, but you should focus the 3 things. Okay, ask proof. Number two is, payment will be PayPal. Okay, so payment will be PayPal. Why? Because PayPal service mode you have to use. And one of my client, I will tell you a true story. He worked with a random supplier. He don't know the supplier, what is supplier, how to work, but he made a big deal of 100. Okay, I mean yes, or $1,000. At the beginning it was big for him, and he found a good product, the shoes product. He researched his market. He was from my France client, and he saw that in France this shoes was very very potential and a lot of customers asking him for this product. Then he instantly made a big order of 100 pieces, maybe 100,000 budget. Okay, but he didn't pay. Yeah, he did a good thing that he paid by PayPal, good smooth, because it's a business rules. And then the supplier was very very scammer, very very bad supplier. Okay, then the supplier always just didn't give any update information about the product, about the photo, where the product is, and always the client asking him for the product photo. Okay, that's why the supplier didn't cannot scam him, because he paid by PayPal. Then after 1 month, the supplier replied him that the product is not good, we need to production again. Okay, then the client was very very clever. He asked for refund, and he finally he got the money. Okay, so payment is PayPal very very important after the ask for proof. Okay, so for example, you ask the proof, you yes, and you happy about the proof. Okay, then ask proof is okay, PayPal transaction is okay, and then your work will be asking the shipping information or tracking number. Okay, so the number 3 is tracking. Okay, tracking number. So this is the 3 main important systems. Okay, the tracking number, why you will ask? Because for example, you going to AliExpress, you will choose this product and you made the store everything, and you are very very satisfied, confident that this has a very good order volume will come. Now you will ask for supplier proof, payment PayPal done, you give store access, no problem, done. Then your job will be instantly within 24 hours to give you tracking number, okay, by the order, according order number. And if the supplier will delay to give you the tracking number, now here is a problem. You have to understand, if within 24 hours you didn't get any, or supplier cannot give you tracking number, then instantly ask for refund, okay. So refund, okay, done. Payment proof, okay, done. Then you will go with other supplier. Okay, you can ask me, because I'm in this sector. I'm working with in 5 years and giving 100 plus clients to service, okay, and shipping every day 1,000 plus order I'm shipping, okay, in my company. And I in my previous video I showed everything. You can see in my channel, okay. So you can, no problem, you can just check. So this is the three, and if you follow these three fundamental of these three systems, nobody cannot scam you, okay. You will be never scam, okay. So thank you, my friend. I hope you will love this video and you will share with your new dropshipper friends, okay. So that's it.